encouraging Maxine to, learn a few things by herself so that she'll be able to have control over her channel and that she'll be able to progress where her channel is concerned. So go ahead and watch the video. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to the channel as always. And thank you so much for making it the mix.
Just keep yourself occupied. But Maxine, you need to educate yourself on certain things. If you are going to do something 100%, it's like me. At one point, I never knew a damn thing about Facebook monetizing all this nonsense, and I didn't know what kind of rules was allowed on Facebook because I was more on Twitter. And Twitter, you can post porn, you can post news, you can do all kind of stuff. I thought Facebook was the same. Backside until one day I go buck up and go post one video with that girl that show her titty them. Facebook pull it down, girl. They pull it down, and from then I told myself, okay, nudity is not allowed over here. I educated myself on the community terms and conditions. I made sure I versed myself on a lot of things. So you should do the same. Gracie used you as a middleman for the 99 and the plank of them, so you could suck them money. You suck some of my money too. And look, a dirty girl got it. You got it. But listen, darling, now I know that channel will never get not even 1 red cent from me again. I'm very sorry. It is gonna stay there being stagnant for me anyway. For me. But Maxine, I'ma call you. I don't know if what the for call that pan. Maxine has changed her number, and the phone I want to call her, and I'm very sure she turned it off. The phone is switched off. Maxine, please tell her that number, because clearly you have a whole other number. You ain't giving no one that number. I don't know. And number I'm calling is just not on. So I need to talk to you. I need to confirm something with you, Maxine. So please turn on your phone and call me now. Because we are sealing Grace's fate today. Only her and her minions are going to sit down and look at her right moving forward. If any of you good people go hitch up over her page, don't come to my page, because I don't want no disgrace rubbing off onto me, because I know for a fact I'm not a disgrace. Una can call me anything, mix up anything, dirty boy, anything, but disgrace I am not, right? And if you go over there and come over here, una go rub off on a disgrace, whatever the pick up over there, it'll come rub off on me. I don't want it. I don't want the energy on me. I don't want that type of energy onto me. So if you go over there, stay over there. Stay over there and don't bring no jojo. Come over here, sir. Cause that girl's one big nasty big bird, a big thief. She knew what she was doing. She knew. No matter what, the channel, she would have always had access to that channel, because 1, her email built it. 2, the channel perhaps is linked to her phone number. The same way YouTube could have Google could have messaged her alleged today saying Maxine was trying to get a code to change everything and whatever, and she said, oh, she sent it to Maxine. How would she have known these things? I can't call a girl. You call me, because your fingers is switched off. It's not being delivered. It's not being delivered. So you call me. You have my number. Call me. She claimed she quickly screenshot something and sent it to Maxine today. So hold on. You're telling me you knew all along you would have had access to the channel. You knew, because if you didn't have access to it, why would YouTube send you confirmation code and you was quickly able to screenshot and allegedly send it to Maxine? Move your nasty dirty big bird self. You see, all this money you're running down and you still can't look good. All this money you're running down and you still can't look weird. All this money you run down, you them big till them spoil. Move for your son. I'm gonna check that time I am like for the woman, man. Backside. I'm tired of you. Girl, I know you're gonna cuss me, but you can't cuss me, because I'm not ugly, and man and woman want me, and them don't want you. And any man with a figure, I'm gonna put paper bag over your big dirty stinky. They go and sit there. Them now put the bag over my head, though. I promise you. Right. I'm gonna look at my face and make love to me. Right, that's up. Right. I'm tired of you. I'm tired of you. manipulating and using these vulnerable people. The same thing you did to Saloni. The same thing you did to Saloni. You used Saloni to build your channel. You used Saloni to, what else? Your thief Saloni $50 argue of your Your thief Saloni $50 will argue of your because you was meant to link Saloni and you never link Saloni and give her $50. Where do Saloni $50? Move your nasty big sour self by your guang jam one damn gym. The reality you can't even breathe. You can't even breathe. All that money you're taking from social media and it's still not making you look good. It's still not making your life any better. Move for your junker. I'm tired of you. I'm so thankful I pulled away from your nasty, unscrupulous self long time. I swear to God, if I had known you was like this all along, I would have never rubbed shoulders with you. How much time I was on my life and you pick up your big nasty self up in your life. I'm like, oh God, the she-woman, come on. I'm going to turn up and flight. Listen. I wish God would have slapped me then. God should have boxed me down then because I was a big dirty idiot. I fall up like a damn yo-yo. I know see you're drunker and you're dumb cute. No one of the people was thinking, oh me was in cahoots or me was in something. Girl, I would never look on me. All of them people you have fun fuzzy girl, me master, me that. You don't see me cute. You don't see me cute. All me for go have fun fuzzy you. All me for go have fun for your body. I'm look like to you. Girl. No, darling, them something for one. Hey, but you know, honest to God, I could tell all along you didn't want to have fun for me. You didn't want to have some fun for me. I can't find it me a Batman and whatever and ask and coffee. You say, well, you didn't have fun for my Batman to so you know it would have never made a difference. I can't never want you. I can't never want to entertain you. Girl, come up the phone. You're a big sour self. You're shaped like I'm big dirty beach wheel. Or you are a rab Maxine. And you still not look good. All the rab you rab. I'm going to show you one picture. What somebody saying, come give me how you were the other day. I'm going to show you one picture. Let me show you stay bad. Well on there. Like I find the picture. Make I find the picture. If I can find the picture. Well on. You better hope me find the picture. You better hope me don't. Nah, you better hope me don't find the picture. Actually, that is the right word. Hope me don't find the picture. Watch ya. Watch ya. Mama zoom in for you. All the money are thief and take for the people in social media. I are still not cute. Watch ya. And these people say, come give me. And me taking out people say, come give me. Watch ya. You look disgusting. Girl. I know you're gonna try and make a mockery out of my one big dirty my big dirty yellow teeth, my one yellow teeth, but I'm a one yellow teeth look better than you. I'm a big dirty one. This got a yellow teeth look cuter than you, look better than you. And you see, I have a face to pull off because I'm cute. Me cute. Right. Me not laugh. Let me see if I can find some more. Cause enough they send. Watch her. Look what they send. Come. Look here. Look at shit. Watch there. Enough people. Watch there. Go up here. I go to one gym. Take the money they take from Maxine, take I got giant one gym. Me find more. Yo. What on there? You better hope me not find them. You better hope me not find them more. You better hope me not find them when I picture the people and say, come give me. Oh, it's not you, that's somebody else that. That one now when they say go, you don't look tree bad. You don't look tree bad that one there. You don't look too bad that one there. But find more. Them saying any more? You're lucky me can't find the more. Oh, send me stars, guys. Send me stars. Thank you for the star senders. Thank you. Me not beg no cash up to the account, I mean. I'm only begging stars. I'm only begging stars today. Yeah. Grace, you is one big dirty disgrace. You really are one big nasty disgrace. Cause like all this money you're making for social media, and it's still not making you. It's still not making you like it's not. It's your life is a mess, yo. Your life is a mess. And I know you just say, oh, look, lean up, boy. Okay, I'm lean up, but I'm cute. I'm cute. I know for a fact you wanted to have fun fans with me. I know. But it was never going to happen, darling. It was never going to happen. Because me, I have taste and I have class, right? And I don't say, oh, skid, who best, sir? I'm going to look like, girl, go on here. Hey, what, the money you take from Maxine, take that money and go and take care of yourself, yeah? And go and see one of them doctors to make you help you to take off the plastic off of the bed so you can stop piss the bed. You hear? That's the fiddle. Yeah. Maxine, make sure get the money. Yeah, Maxine, allow her to keep the money, Maxine. So, because she needs it to go and take care of her incontinence. That's the word. She's fully. I don't know if you guys know the words I'm using, but she suffers from incontinence. That big nasty girl. She suffers from incontinence. And she needs the money to go and fix her bladder issues. Don't get me wrong. I had a kidney issue, and I don't have incontinence, though. I don't wet myself. Me can't call her. And number one call her Panarin girl. I'm trying to find more picture of that big she girl. I'm find picture of the big she girl. I see this. Oh no, I don't see that. I twin that. I don't see that. Well, I'm find more. Oh Lord. You're lucky me can't find them more, girl. With a long titty them. I'm zooming and get a good view. That one look tree bad still. It don't look tree bad. And the people they'll have to say me don't. Why? Oh, I found another one. I don't know where I'm going to that girl. You can't find a makeup artist. Find a makeup artist. Make them allow them to teach you to do makeup. Wow, you need a good makeup artist. Yeah, I want wig specialist. Yeah, cause I don't know all of these stuff you're putting in your damn eyebrow. You think you're don't cute. You look like one. You look like
an ambulance. Okay, so let's get off this picture now and stop sharing. So after they rushed me to the hospital, they did an MRI. You know that big machine. Then pushed me through the MRI machine, and I can vividly remember when they came back with the results while I was in the hospital. And I saw different like doctors and surgeons coming into the room. I can vividly remember the look on their faces like something was wrong. I remember I took up my phone and I called my sister and I was crying. Like I went ballistic because them over there